Oh yeah, OnePlus Nord 2 5G. You just want to do a little recap on that, or what do you want to do? You want to talk about the event, Will?
Yeah, just your thoughts about the event.
Yeah, it
The
was
crazy event.
it was wild, man. It was I've never seen anything like it. They decided to essentially make like a short dramatization no, like not a fictional story around the device as a entry into the keynote. So they treated the keynote, well, not as a keynote really, but instead as a media onslaught. And you can go watch our live broadcast on Unbox Therapy where you can see our reactions in real time. We were legitimately, we had no idea what to expect other than it was going to be different.
Mm-hmm.
And it was 10 a.m. our time. I was half a coffee into it.
Yeah.
And I don't know that I was processing it. I was like, they really doing this for a phone? Like you said, once it started getting violent and things, I was like, whoa.
Right at the beginning, too.
It's like, man, they really went for it. Is it the start of a whole new way of launching devices as there's been this increase in fatigue around whatever the next thing is? Do you need to branch out and do something different? And I know it's going to be definitely a split on how people perceive it. That's often the case when you're taking risks.
Mm-hmm.
But certainly for me, it made it more interesting and exciting because I didn't know what was going on.
Yeah, we were both lost together.
Like anything could have happened to us at 10 a.m. this morning when we arrived to react to that
We
live
definitely
event.
didn't expect that.
No, it could have been anything. We could have fallen asleep. We definitely did not fall asleep.
No.
So that took place. Anyway, as far as the spec is concerned, yeah, it's an improvement all the way around. I was curious about the MediaTek chip, but obviously they showed off some performance numbers that seem to imply it's an improvement over the previous generation quite significantly. We did the camera tests, smooth video, and the AMOLED display, 6.43 inches, plus the dynamic color, the blue haze that I'm holding right here. Though I was a little bit upset that I didn't get a chance to check out the green one with the fake leather texture.
Yeah, it's like a forest green.
Yeah, that was an India exclusive, so I was kind of curious about that one. But all the ones that I have here that I have handled and that I'm going to be giving away are the Blue Haze model, which I guess this is now at this point officially the OnePlus Nord color.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, yeah, key takeaway for me was smartphone events don't have to be what they've always been. They can be a lot of things, and I presume that going into the future, we're going to see them actually be a lot of things.